Here's a 2017 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. AM/FM stereo radio, capless fuel filler, manual tilting steering column, two 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and easy lift and lower tailgate. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Don't overpay. Come see Jay. We make the car buying process easy. J. Hodge Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram is located on East Jackson Street in Hugo.